Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your home. So, students, let's start our computer class. So, today we are going to complete the exercises of chapter 7 MS PowerPoint 2010. Yesterday we had done filling the blanks of this chapter, and today we will complete true, false, and some another exercises, match the following, etc. So let's start completing them. So the first question is, MS PowerPoint is the word processing application. It's a word processing application. Is this true or false? Who can tell me?
False.
False.
False. False.
False.
It's true or false? It's
False.
yes, it's false.
Ma'am, we are in question 4. B in question 4.
Placeholders are the dotted rectangular boxes on a slide to type text or insert picture, charts, or other objects. True or false?
True.
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 Let me write also on my book. Yes, it's true. Placeholders are the dotted. Yes, what are placeholders? We already have seen the placeholder picture of placeholder on your book. It's true. The shortcut key to create a new presentation is Control plus C. Is this correct or false?
False.
Yes, it is false. The presentation can have only one slide. True or false?
False.
Yes.
False.
It can have as many slides as we want. There are 3 view buttons in MS PowerPoint 2010.
False.
False.
Ma'am, true.
It's false. Who is saying true? It's false. There are 3 view buttons in MS PowerPoint. It's false. Now move to the next exercise, which is fill in the blanks. To create a new presentation, which is the correct option? Control plus N.
Plus.
Control plus N is the next. To open an existing file.
Control plus O.
Ma'am, control O.
Control plus O.
To open an existing file, Control plus O. Yes, correct. To save a presentation, who can tell me the right answer?
Control plus S.
Yes, exactly. Control
Ma'am,
plus
control
S.
plus S.
Control plus S. To close a presentation, who can tell me the right answer?
Control plus W.
Control
plus
W. Good morning.
Control plus W. To close MS PowerPoint, it is alternate.
LT plus F4.
Yes, alternate key plus F4. To close any window, if you want to close any window, you can use alternate key plus F4. Now move to the next exercise, which is, you can see, identify and label the following components of the PowerPoint window. Here you have to identify and write it down. That what is this? I showed you yesterday that picture. Have you all seen that picture yesterday? Again, let me show you that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Of that PowerPoint. Let me show you that picture. You will find out, and you can do easily. This is actually from your book. As you can see this picture over here on your screen. This is very important picture. You all have to learn to make this picture very properly. Each and every details. Understand?
Ma'am, in our computer copy.
Yes. Yes, Divyanshi. All have to complete this exercise D on your computer copy. Understand? On your computer copy, all have to complete this exercise D of this making picture, drawing picture. You have to draw this picture and label it properly, this PowerPoint window. Understand? Rest of the exercise you all have to do on your book, not in your notebook. Now move to the next question and answer. What is PowerPoint? What is PowerPoint?
Ma'am,
Yes.
PowerPoint is used to create attractive presentation.
Yes, exactly. It's a presentation application. It is used to create attractive presentation. I'm writing the answer here also. PowerPoint is a presentation application. Full stop. It is used to create attractive presentation. This is the answer of this question. What is PowerPoint? Write it down if you have not written.
I have written, ma'am.
Very good. Have you all written?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have written.
ma'am, I have written.
Good.
I have written, ma'am.
वर्क इज कंप्लीट. Ma'am, my work is completed.
I hope you all have written. Have you all written or not? Do it fast.
I have written, ma'am.
I have written.
Annapurna, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Yes, ma'am.
Neela,
Ma'am, complete.
Ma'am.
okay, I hope that you all, most of students have completed. Now move to the next question, which is, what do you mean by presentation and a slide? Let's write the answer. I'm writing
Ma'am,
from here. Do not write from
Ma'am,
here. You all. Yes, yes, Arushi, give me the answer.
Ma'am, presentation is a systematic display of information along with text, images, sound, animation, and a slide is a page to which text, images, sound, animation, etc. are added.
Yes. Let's write the answer. Presentation is a systematic. Presentation is a systematic display of information along with text, comma, images, comma, sound, comma, animations, comma, etc. Full stop. A presentation consists of a number of slides. Full stop. A slide is a page to which text, comma, images, comma, sounds, comma, animations, comma, etc. are added. Full stop. This is the answer number 2. If you all have written, then it's good. Otherwise, write it down.
I have written, ma'am.
Very good. This is answer number 2. If you have written, move to the question number 3. What are placeholders? Yes. Sparsh.
Ma'am, placeholders are dotted rectangular boxes on a slide to type text or insert pictures, charts, and other objects.
Yes, very good. It's right answer. If you have written, then it's okay. Otherwise, you will get the video of this class after some time. Okay, so now move to the next.
My work is completed.
Very good. Now move to the next answer, which is what is placeholder?
My work is completed.
Let's write that placeholders are dotted rectangular boxes on a slide to type text or insert pictures, comma, charts and other objects. Full stop. This is answer number 2.
I have written, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have also written.
Very good. If you have written. So now move to the next answer number 3. What is the note?
I have written,
pane?
ma'am.
What is the notes pane used for? Yes, Radhika, you are giving the answer. Raise your hand. What are notes pane used for? Yes, Arushi, give me the answer.
Ma'am, you can type notes related to the current slide in the notes pane.
Yes. It's right answer. The notes pane is used to type notes related to the current slide. Full stop. This is the answer of question number 4.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
I have already written, ma'am.
Good. Move to the next answer number 5. So answer number 5. Write down the steps to open an existing presentation. So I hope that you will find out this answer in your book as well. How to open, write down the steps to open existing presentation file. Here is the answer, so you can mark it on your book as well. Okay, let me show you the answer here. On your book, open page number 98. Here you can see this is the answer. This is the answer, opening an existing presentation. To open the existing presentation, follow the steps. You have to write all the steps which are given here. Understand? This picture you have to draw. Use some colors as well. Understand? And it is from next up to next page. Yes, Rishabh? It's up to next page this side.
मैम
Yes, Rishabh.
मैम ऐसे मैम हम लोग बुक में लिखेंगे तो मैम पिक्चर कॉपी में बनानी है.
Picture आंसर भी बुक में लिखना है, क्वेश्चन आंसर नोटबुक में भी लिखना है. अंडरस्टैंड? You have to write question answer in your notebook also. ये मत सोचो कि सिर्फ बुक में लिख लिए बस हो गया. No. You have to write all the question answers in your notebook, computer notebook. Because I am going to check it when you will come to school. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So up to here the answer is. From that page, opening an existing file of existing presentation to will launch. This is the answer number 5.
Answer 4.
This is answer number 5, not 4. Answer number 5. This is answer number 5, na? How many questions? Yes, this is answer number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is a new chapter which is internet. Your PT2 portion is 7 chapter and 8 chapter. 2 chapters are of your PT2 portion. Okay. So PT2 portion is 2
Ma'am, in
chapters. Sorry. Sorry, who is asking something? So the PT2 portion is MS PowerPoint chapter 7, MS PowerPoint 2010, and chapter 8, which is which is the internet. So in our next computer class, we'll complete the next chapter, which is the internet. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you don't have any doubt. And from next class of our English class, we'll start new chapter, as I told you later. If you have any doubt related to the chapter, then you can ask me. Complete all the question answers and exercise number D and E on
Ma'am.
your notebook. Understand? And that's all for
Ma'am, I
today's
have a
class.